Hi, Dominic from Bliz here. I'd like to show you the BLIZ Matrix. Now, BLIZ Matrix are made for normal size faces and especially developed for cycling, but they're also great for cross-country skiing and other demanding multisports where low weight, flexibility and comfort are in focus. I will be going through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to adjust the glasses for the best possible fit while you're active, all in order for you to be able to feel comfortable and safe and focus on your performance.
This model is equipped with BLIZ Hydro Lens System, unbreakable XPC polycarbonate lens with 100% UV protection, GRILAMID TR90 material for low weight and flexibility, adjustable temples with rubber wire core, adjustable nose pad in soft friction rubber, grip the glasses firmly and with your other hand bend the lens away from the frame at each end until they pop loose. Sometimes you'll have to use a little more strength to do this. Then remove the nose pad. Do this by gripping the glasses with your thumb on the centre of the frame's top edge. Then bend the nose pad downwards at an angle until it detaches. Start by attaching the lens at the frame's outer corner. Make sure that all parts are properly and firmly in place before you use the glasses. The glasses will fit comfortably once you adjust the nose pad. The easiest way to do this is to use two fingers to separate or press the nose pad together. To make sure the glasses sit firmly around your head while you're active, simply bend the wire core arms to the desired width before putting the glasses on.
Thanks for watching. Do please follow us on social media or surf into bliz.com to read more about our unique models and colour range. Take care now and remember, stay safe.